Section 4.3, we are going to introduce the periodic table. So hopefully this is review, and you saw this in middle school. But the periodic table includes all elements on Earth organized by atomic number. So you might notice that it starts with 1 right up here for hydrogen, and this table goes all the way down. There are different number of endings here, but to 118 at the very end down here on the bottom right. All right, so I want you to know that all elements are organized by atomic number on this periodic table. And you can see the symbols. So each one has a specific symbol. They are not repeated, where the first letter is capitalized, the second is lowercase. So the periodic table includes 2 different types of elements, so metals and nonmetals, and there is a line. So if you take a line right here, so hydrogen is separate, so hydrogen is a nonmetal. And if you take a staircase line down like this, so these ones in between, close to the staircase, can kind of act like metals or nonmetals. Sometimes they're called metalloids, technically. But everything to the right here, these are all nonmetals. All right. So nonmetals are on the right side of the periodic table with the exception of hydrogen. So hydrogen is a nonmetal, but they put it over on the left because of the properties. We'll talk more about that later. The left side of the table, these are all metals. All right, so you can see that most of the elements on Earth are metals. There's only a very few nonmetals. Most are nonmetals. And this right here, actually, I'll just go ahead and tell you this column right here, these are noble gases. And they are called noble gases because they don't like to really interact with other elements, and they're found very commonly just by themselves in nature. All right, so we are going to memorize the first 20 elements of the periodic table. There is a song for you to listen to and to fill out that table in your notes. I want you to write down the symbol for each element and then the name. And you can find the link to this the other videos under your topics.